Next guys, eyelash curler and mascara. Amura nang iusa kat parehas na sila eyelash, okay?
Sure mo. Ayaw to guys, sabot na nila guys, kaya na nila kaya.
One storage guys, kailangan na nang mahuman within 2 minutes.
Shot first. Pinky, shot! Not water, but shot! Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Nisumid sa ako ang throat mo, shit. Yuck!
Kaniyo. Itza.
Bari throat sa akong throat. Yuck, no.
Then ako'y fake eyelashes, so I don't need that. Nag-shot read ko, nagnilood rin ko.
Ay, mag-eyelash curl na ako. Hala, auto ni. Nako.
Ano guys, yung katawag isa ng limpyo.
Di lang sana kayo.
Bagay na guys.
Wait lang. Yung pag-view ay fat po din.
Contemplate ako kung sakta niya mong ibuhat guys. Murag updos na kayo siya sa tiyan guys.
Di na lang may musaba guys kung unsang adlaw ron. Kay makasala pa mi.
Minus point sa langit.
Tiping kitaga na.
I want water.
Ako guys, wag ko giganahan ani nga challenge.
Pinky mo man ito, di ba?
Siya to, isa sa planner, ani guys.
So, what's next man?
Next powder.
Powder, so we're gonna shot sa.
Gisa na.
Ay, nahulog. Let's do it fast. Powder.
Shot.
What?
Powder.
Powder
Next.
okay.
Powder.
Let's shot mo na. 1, 2, 3, drink guys.
Wala pa na ng cheers.
Oh, cheers. Sorry. Okay,
Okay,
drink
1,
na.
2, 3, go.
Para makauna ka sa pulutan, ikaw na mag-shot. So, my powder is from...
I don't do powder.
I don't do powder.
Kung nagtiga powder, may pagwa na lang tayo ng powder.
Powder ko to.
Maybelline Fit Me as an oily girly, pero mag-last rin siya mga 4 hours, so... Napakita pa ko buhay. Hapit na siya mga
Uy, I used to
The OG Dr. Sensitive.
I used to do Dr. Sensitive, but then not for me.
Dr. Sensitive food ko, guys, pero...
Nag-breakout ko sa Dr. Sensitive.
Dali rin siya maka-oily,
Okay, next guys is lipstick.
Hey!
Highlighter.
Highlighter. Ay, ito na mag-highlighter, babe.
Ayan na,
Ito mag-highlighter.
Ayan na, mag-highlighter after sa powder blush.
Yeah, we're done.
Dili lang ko mag-powder blush. Ayan na
Crazy.
I don't know about powder blush.
No, I
Mag-powder blush. Mag-powder blush ko. Ako mag-powder blush. As a blush girl.
Oh, let's do lip. Is it lip balm una or lipstick una or highlight?
Highlighter.
Okay, let's do highlight at mo.
Lipstick, wapa man nag-powder blush.
Mana naman tayo. Oh,
Dili,
gosh.
liquid
Just do
blush.
your blush na lang. Just do your
Yeah,
blush.
just do your blush.
Just do your blush.
Let's drink.
No. Just do your blush after this and then... What are you doing Gani, right now?
Yeah. We're just gonna do lipstick na.
Wait now. Okay, you do your blush right now, then lipstick, okay? Okay, let's shot mo na. Okay, let's drink.
Kaya.
Drink. Water, Ira. 1, 2, 3, drink up.
Diba I told you guys, una mag-shot, una mag-pulutan.
What are we doing na?
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Ano mag-inom yung mukha?
Lang, mag-inom lang ko karon pag
In
ulan sa.
early break
No,
from
te,
bits.
you have to drink because that's part of the challenge. So guys, I'm doing like my happy skin again because this happy skin is actually a cheek tint and water lip. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing it again.
Mine, guys, is get ready with me nga lip tint, lip stain, ay lip tint, lipstick.
That's it, guys. Then I'm just gonna do a vitamin C lip glow serum, and that's it.
In the shade ballerina, guys. Get ready with me.
Sometimes, guys, I don't
She
put
pushed
on lip.
me.
I don't do the lip tint anymore. I just do this.
You pass that.
Yeah.
Unsay mo need water? Water. You need water, right? Wait lang.
Nursing patient here.
So yeah.
Lipsticks out.
Time for my
We'll wait for you. We'll wait
powder
for you.
blush. Kaya di sila mag powder blush.
Yeah, just
So,
do-
Ever
Lipstick
Belena Fever Dream. Gamay lang yung ibutang guys. Kaya lang lasting siya.
I'm using JCYMI. I don't
Uy,
know what's
gusto
the
ko
name.
mag-try April. Can I?
Yes, but it doesn't have anymore. It's empty.
Oh.
Lips.
It's empty now.
Kuan is
Pero
Get
like,
Ready
this is
With
katong
Me.
duha ka book, no?
Yeah.
Ballerina.
Ang pikasan eh.
Lip gloss.
Oh, it's cute though. I
So,
like
sa ting
it.
spray ng last, no?
What's next?
I'm just
mag-shot.
setting spray lang.
Last shot.
So this will be the last shot.
I'm just gonna put my lip balm first.
Okay. You do you guys.
I know it's not lip balm. It's
You do
lip
you
gloss.
like.
So the combo ko guys, like
So-
first is the lip stain, next
Dazzle
is
me?
next is the lip liner, and next is the main course.
What's the main course?
It is the Ever Belena. So I'm an Ever Belena girly. It's a
Yeah.
serum tinted lip oil.
Okay, so can you show us your?
Tingura kaguan!
No, wait lang. Just let just let her be.
I didn't push her. I didn't push her. I was